Hey YouTube, I am making a video on how to get faded plastics back to their original color. I'm not sure if you can see this real well, but I am doing this on my 1986 Suzuki LT 250R quadracer. The plastics are really beat up. Yeah, you got something there. Zip ties all over the place. Yeah, so it's just pretty beat up. I had to fix this with sheet metal and rivets and under the seat here. Some of zippy ties and wire and some more sheet metal. But aside from that, what you want to do to restore faded plastics is, first of all, you need your plastics. Here, let me move this out into the light a little bit more. I'll put it right there. Yeah, it's real faded. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to take your plastics, something to cut with. Usually, I have my pocket knife right here. I did have razor blades because I'm working on another set of plastics that came with it. Person spray painted them, and it's a real crappy spray paint job, and it's alright. Well, there's those, and now here is how to restore your faded plastic. I already started right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. What you do is you want to take your cutting tool and you want to put your blade at an angle, and then you just want to start scraping away at it. You want to be careful not to do real deep cuts in your plastics. Make it real crappy than it already is. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that. My lighting's pretty weird today. So you just keep scraping at it, and then after you have all that done, you can take some, hold on a second. There we are. I'm going to take some paint thinner. Just want to put some on a rag and wipe it, and it'll make it real nice and shiny. Well, that is how to store faded plastics. Comment below, like it, and subscribe.